Babes, every day I get up and stomach, I'm hungry, you know.
Boy, I not even know. It was stress, you know. Every day I go up on the road and now go on, you know. I tell her what they're rough. I tell her. She not even know. So still, I go out there and see what can go on.
Alright.
Here.
Yeah.
I think I'm already sticky, you know, you good. Not even know that. Right now, man, I'm hungry, you know. I don't know if boy have nothing over there. Whatever go on. Get bread! What go on? Boy, if I'm mad, I'm over here, they can't find food to eat. And I don't rice, I don't know over here, my boss.
No, brother, right now we don't have none, brother.
Nothing have.
No, brother, right now we are dead to one grain too. We want a grain. Have you a grain?
What's over here next day? What can I do for you poor?
No, yeah, my God. Right now we're there poor and hungry too. You know we are dead for a grain of rice. Even one spoon of sugar. I want a roll up on the whole of
Alright, let's say 40 now.
So this life,
yeah, man, 39 good.
Alright, I'm go up on the river so I can go on.
Yeah, man,
Right,
go on,
yeah.
man. Yeah, we find something out there, man.
Boy, kitchen is saying, boy, tell me saying, I nothing. I tell me saying, bro. What can't tell me, bro? No joke, I lemon. No I lemon. No I lemon. I feel like I'm going to either fry flour or something. Sell out that too.
wait. You know say me have some oil in my kitchen. Go check if the boy brought down with it. Oil gone, stove all miss up. All my bag then search up when me left my flour and same thing them in. But the boy are out there, man. I really him come here. May go over in yard. May go for the police first though. Look, them things are way boy they gone with no knife. Hello, my lady, pass one on my phone, give me the plate. Alright. I'll call the police, you know, because something not going on and right. Huh? Me I go call the police because some things were going on not right. What's that? Yes, hello my boss. Yes, Sarge. Yes, up Red Ground District here. Me have a little complaint and to make to you, sir. Me did over my yard here. And this guy Brad come and ask me for something. And I tell him say me never have them at the moment. And me did the run and my house back sit down and burn my cliff. I want mind them to go check in my kitchen. When me go in there, my oil gone, my flour, my stove, all my grocery bag search up. So I want to know what they got in my place. Would like if you come give me a visit up on my yard here. I will go over in yard because me know I'm the only one come to me today and ask me say want some things to cook and things. And me things they're missing. You coming? Alright. Right up Red Gun District me live, man. Yes, sir. I'm waiting on you. You're gonna see me outside the gate. Okay. Alright. Alright, sir. Okay. Because I want you to carry this guy to the station and lock him up because he's not honest. I tell him I never have it and him broke inside my place and take out all my things. What me must eat now? Him left me to suffer like he must say dog or sweat and long hair cover. True me no give him break the law. Me need you to come calm down right now. Straight prison him to go. Now, this soldier come out now. That them police that don't love criminals. Go and wait a couple more time. Oh,
Yes, sir.
pleasant good afternoon, sir. Step out of the sun, please. The sun kind of
Yes,
hot.
sir. Come over here, sir. So what's the problem going on here, sir?
This
First, before you're
morning,
going anywhere, sir, may I ask you a few questions. What's your name, sir?
my name is Elia Junior Dobson.
Alright, you're talking to Detective Longso.
Alright, sir.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Alright, this morning, a young man by the name of Brad was over here. He come and ask me for some flour and oil.
Mm-hmm.
So he need something to cook because he don't eat from morning. And I was round by the back there sitting down, crushing out that place, sir. And a man said to me I must come and check my kitchen because my kitchen is right here beside me, at the front here. And when I come round and go in my kitchen, sir,
This is a kitchen.
yes, sir, I never leave it like this. I realized that
This
it
kitchen
was,
wants to fix,
it was
man.
broken.
You know that me can call. That's your problem still. That's your business.
Well, that's what I was
just.
just gonna explain to you, sir, to let
Okay,
you
sir.
know that is my place, so that is
Yes,
my
Mr.
own
Junior.
right?
Okay, yes.
Well, I realized that my door was up here and it broken. And when I go inside, I didn't see my eye, which is right here.
Yes, sir.
I didn't see my stove, which was here. And you could see that the things were all searched up because they are scattered over the place.
Alright, take a few pictures and a few videos for evidence. You gotta keep it like that. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Well, the main reason why I asked you to come up here, sir, his yard is over there and I would like you to go over there and harass him, sir, because
Yes.
I don't like what
Escort
he's
him
been
to that
going
side.
on
Let's
with
go.
from morning.
So just to let you inform, just to let you know. Would you like to press charge or not?
Well, not at the moment.
But you, what would you like for me?
I
to
would
do?
like you to go over by the yard and harass him for a couple of days. Keep him at the
But I
station.
cannot, no, sir. I cannot arrest him without a cause. It's either you're gonna press charge or you're not pressing charge.
Well, I'm going to press charge in this case, sir, because
You're
I
sure you
don't
need
like
to press
I
charge?
don't like criminal.
You sure you want to press charge?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yeah. So
Alright, come.
his yard is over
Take-
there.
take-
We're gonna go over his yard.
Alright,
now.
take me to his home.
How long my baby father gonna road and say he can't come back all now? I wonder what happened now.
No, man, me reach. You know, so me get so aisle though. You see me?
Okay.
So you know me I go do? Look more, me I go up on the road.
Yeah.
Go sell them and buy pizza and thing for me here.
Okay.
Alright.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I am Detective Langson. And you are?
I'm Shannel.
Okay, alright. I'm here on the behalf of this young man here,
Okay.
which is
Mr.
Mr.
Alien
Alien Jr. Okay, the reason why he came to the station, he called the station, made a complaint that your baby father, which is Brad, right?
Yeah.
Okay. He came by his place of residence and stole a few items.
Yes, sir.
Is that right?
He didn't know if that right, cause this morning he left out and saying go buy something for me to eat, cause me did tell him I'm hungry and everything.
Okay, so you're not sure if so you saw him come home with anything at all?
You see him come home with two oil jug like that.
Oil jug.
Yeah.
You missing any oil jug, sir?
Yes, sir. The two oil jug
What colour?
kind did ask me for oil and
What,
flour.
what color?
Two yellow jug with a paper
You
pan
saw him came home with two yellow jugs?
Yes.
Or may I take a look inside?
Me don't know who the time going there and coming and show for no police and nothing.
Ma'am, you're talking to Detective Longson. Watch number 2578.
Okay.
Alright? Need to take a look inside. Is your baby father inside there?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Sir, me
Well, I
are
would
a
like to
little
take a look
shuffling.
inside. Excuse me. But that's organized. And if you are harboring fugitive, you're going to jail. Okay? Okay. You want to come inside. I don't want to feel like I'm taking anything. Mr. Alien Jr., sir?
Yes, sir.
Follow also, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so take a look around. You see anything? You see anything that's yours? Take a look around. You see anything that's
Yes, sir. 2 oil jugs. See them over there, so, sir.
Alright, those are the eye jugs?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So look around. Look on that bed if you see him. Is these yours?
No, sir.
On that bed if you see him.
It's him, sir. It's him.
You saw
It's
him?
him. Yes, sir.
Come on, kiss me. Yeah, one of them.
Come here. Come here, boy. You know how long me I look for you, boy? You know how long me I look for you?
How me do, boss?
Husband, sir.
Eh? You know how long me I look for you?
How me do?
What you do?
Yeah.
You know working in my house?
When you give me eye,
You working in my house?
No, sir. Me not give. Me tell you, say me not have nothing.
Yeah.
That's curious. That's how black people wicked. Just give me a chance, officer. Do.
No, sir. No
Papa.
chance him today, sir.
No,
No
chance.
chance.
I want to eat me and be
No
my
chance.
there. We need no food.
She be go
No.
jail to you, no, sir, because
No.
she have a fugitive.
I saw no
Stop the
wicked.
noise. Shut up! Now listen. Oh, are you? Ross, my bingo today. You know how long we a look for you, boy? Him, boy. You know how long we a look? Come on. Straight prison. You follow too. You have a fugitive,
Yes,
you
sir.
have
Good
prison.
work. Good work, sir. You
Come
must
on,
get
you
the
book your eye
award.
job them to sir and come on.
Yes, sir.
Straight prison for you.
Good work, sir.
Come here.
You must
Prison.
do that to get the award. You
Grab
do
your
eye
hand.
job. Good work, sir. Good work. You must come to the station and see to that you
boy.
get the award for your good
Boy.
work.
You know something there, do?
Good?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Good, sir.
No, can't be worried enough because my husband, they are jail and everything. Yeah.
More than now.
1 month. Yeah.
Okay. So, when am I come out?
You know something I know when you all see me there me yard me I'm sit down and everything. Me tell him to me go and everything. So he say you go on the road to go get something to eat. Little after, I call his children and saying go do something. Yeah.
I can't believe. Long time I know say painting the damn thing.
Really?
Really long time I know.
Yeah.
So so the people in lock him up with their job.
Yeah.
So we didn't get him.
He did in a house to hide.
Now I was same thing I was and take a job. Then was the people who come film.
No. Alive still, yeah.
Alive still, so I just stay there. Just go and take it easy, you understand?
Yeah.
Come on, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we just go and do something till them come out, they can just sit down and you understand?
Yeah.
You know, say life hard and life good for an baby.
Okay.
No people, no African thing, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So at least you know what thing, not the worst man my team still, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, me don't know, me not the worst man my team.
Yeah.
Lord.
So we are good here now.
No, so I don't want me yard, me I go do.
Oh, come go out good on there now. Come go down here, I go see you can feed him for them. You feed him down there?
Supposed to, you know, I don't know.
Oh, you have to go really see if you can feed him for them. I know a long time I know him still. But one thing I never know say, in Ghana. Prison. You sure you alright,
Yes, me alright. Only thing me I worry about is me.
Oh, I'm not too worried enough till this. And keep your finger crossed and things till them come out.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to put her out there so I go look if they can get feeding. Because, but wait, I didn't get feed now water, man. Somebody feed them.
I told me love him now. But wait there. It's like somebody of him that I come. What beers were you doing here?
Me just escape from a garbage truck a while ago.
Really?
God no.
Well, I'm going to take off them the clothes then.
Alright.